Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to enable the feature that allows Google Chrome to ask where to save files before downloading. This is a handy setting for those who prefer to choose a specific location for each download, instead of having all files automatically saved to the Downloads folder. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. Once Chrome is open, you'll want to navigate to the Settings menu. Next, click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the browser window. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, look for the Download section. If you don't see it immediately, you may need to scroll down or search for it in the search bar at the top of the Settings page. Now, in the Download section, you will find an option that says Ask where to save each file before downloading. Simply toggle this setting on. When this option is enabled, every time you download a file, Chrome will prompt you with a dialog box asking where you would like to save it. After enabling this feature, you can close the Settings tab. Now, whenever you initiate a download, a pop-up window will appear, allowing you to choose your desired location for that file. This simple adjustment can make managing your downloads much easier and more organized. Whether you're downloading documents, images, or software, having control over where files are stored can help keep everything tidy. That's it. You've successfully enabled the option to ask where to save files in Google Chrome. Enjoy your more organized browsing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively.